So if you're trying to open the NVIDIA app on Windows 11 and you keep getting that annoying "there was a problem" message, don't worry, this is one of those errors that looks worse than it actually is. So the first thing you want to do is simply restart your NVIDIA services. Just press Windows plus R at the same time, then type in services.msc. Then simply scroll down to anything starting with NVIDIA, and once you find anything like that, simply right click each one and hit restart. So a lot of the time the app launches fine right after this, so I really hope that works for you. But if it doesn't, don't worry, let's move on to the next thing. Simply try clearing the NVIDIA app cache. So to do this, simply open the File Explorer, then type in %local app data % in the address bar. Then open the NVIDIA folder and delete the NVIDIA Corporation /NVIDIA app cache files. Don't worry, they're gonna rebuild automatically. Then next, you can also try updating or reinstalling your GPU driver. So simply open your device manager, then find your display adapter, then right click and choose uninstall device. And once you do that, you can then restart your PC and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver for you. And if you use the NVIDIA installer instead, you can then choose the clean install option. And before you try again, make sure Windows Update isn't waiting on anything, because outdated system components can cause this exact error. So once everything's updated, simply open the NVIDIA app again and it should finally load without that message popping up. So I really hope this works for you, and if it does, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.